Hi guys, welcome back. Today we got a Troy Bilt 554. It's an edger and these belts wear out over time, so we're going to show you real quick how to replace the belt. Now over here you're going to need a number 14, a 14 millimeter, and a 3/8. In the last episode we tried to replace the belt for the edger, and we removed this kind of shroud cover for the blade pulley to expose it, and we removed this top nut that goes right there so we could loosen this spindle. It's kind of like double spindle thingy. Anyway, we're going to continue the reinstallation. So I don't know if you can see under here, this is where the spindle to the motor comes out, and then it's routed through here, and the trick here is to make sure there's a beveled end and then there's a flat end. Now the trick is to make sure that the flat end goes in the bottom and the bevel end goes on top as such. Okay, it's going to be something like that. So the whole reason for taking this out is just so we can put the belt in. There's really no clearance with the belt back on otherwise. And as you could probably see, it's aligned with this shaft right here, this axle, so really no clearance to do anything. So now that this part's in, we're going to mount it as such. And then figure out how to mount the front part. See, the spring arm needs to go back so we could mount the belt and get it to play nice. So I'm gonna go find my spring compressor. Alright guys, I can't find my spring compressor, so I'm just gonna brute force it. There, to use non-scientific methods to install this, but it looks like everything's in place. Again, beveled small end on top, the flat end in the bottom. Okay, just gonna try and start it up.